Okay, just a couple minutes till Michael's on. I'm kind of nervous for him.
This is High Heat Kitchen, where the only things hotter than the stoves are the temperatures under our chef's collar. As always, each contestant will prepare a meal in 3 stages: appetizer, entree, and dessert. At each stage, head chef Bruno will offer his feedback.
Chef Bruno, I'm a big fan! Woo!
All right, contestants, your first task is to imitate Chef Bruno's canapes. And off you go. Looks like the cat got his own tongue here.
Well, I'm not worried about it. Michael's good with unique flavors. Raw fish? That goes well with watermelon.
Time for our contestants to wrap up so Chef Bruno can appraise their canapes. And Chef Teddy's up first. Boom! Chef Teddy is out first. Can Chef Michael make an impression? He can, but it's a bad one. On to Chef Werner. This little piggy went to the market and he was impressed with Chef Werner's creation. Too bad for everyone else.
Are you feeling positive about how things are going?
On to the entree. It's time to turn out.
Okay, this one should be right at Michael's alley. No one loves fish more than him.
And begin. The first decision for Chef Michael, whether eat or cook the tuna. Cook it is. There are lots of ways this one can go wrong. The rice can be too dry or too sticky. The tuna can be overcooked. And the seaweed can be rolled too tightly. Time's up. Let's see which of our chefs went the whole hog. Bad news for Chef Teddy. Let's see. Oh, flip that one off. Looks like the entree round is Chef Michael's to lose at this point. And boy, oh boy, did he lose it. Good thing he's got another 8 lives.
We heard that your new restaurant got panned in the New York Times this morning. That can make you feel good. Any thoughts on that?
No words necessary for that reaction. And now for our final challenge. Chef Bruno would like each contestant to dream up a totally new dessert. And begin. What is Chef Michael doing? Is that a typewriter?
What is he doing?
And time. It's all up to Chef Bruno now, whose dessert will make him squeal with delight. Oof, this has not been a good day for Chef Teddy. Now, how will Chef Michael fare with his fortune cookie? And just like he cracked the fortune cookie, Chef Michael has cracked the hard shell of this pig's heart. And that's a wrap on tonight's High Heat Kitchen.
Yeah!
I'm Popsicle. See you next week.
Hey, what's up guys, Aaron here. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. It was made in partnership with Animal Restaurant, which is a fun, cute animal simulation game. In the game, you can play as different animals that all have their own sweet stories, including Prince Michael here. So we're very excited about this. He's going to be featured in this game for a limited amount of time. You can use the link below and download the game to help Michael run his very own kitchen. You playing the game right now, Michael? Yeah? And are you sending the link to Girl Cat so they can see you star in a video game? Anyways, you can use the link below to download Animal Restaurant on the App Store or Google Play. Peace!